Henry McClure Live. Man, it seems to be a little foggy. There, that's a little clear. Somebody ought to watch City Council right now, because I think there'll be some hubbub about Sylvia. Brett Kell voted no. Oh man, Fletcher, just get off the phone. Bob Fletcher's calling me. Okay, Bob, if you're watching live, I'll call you in just a second. Let me get this off my chest. We've got to get somebody to run for Kell's spot. He's never, ever returned my call. Ever. Ask city council people if he ever returns their call. He snapped at me today. He does not understand. He doesn't understand what's going on. He seriously doesn't. And you know, there's sometimes after I sell a property and my sign's gone, I got nothing to do with it. But there's something going on there too. All right, I got to make some calls. Talk to y'all later.